Prelude to the Rhymes of a Rolling Stone by Robert W. Service. I sing no idle songs of dalliance days, no dreams Elysian inspire my rhyming. I have no Celia to enchant my lays, no pipes of Pan have set my heart to chiming. I am no wordsmith dripping gems divine into the golden chalice of a sonnet. If love songs wit you, close this book of mine, waste no time on it. Yet bring I to my work an eager joy, a lusty love of life and all things human. Still in me leaps the wonder of the boy, a pride in man, a deathless faith in woman. Still red blood calls, still rings the valiant fray, adventure beacons through the summer gloaming. Oh, long and long and long will be the day ere I come homing. This earth is ours to love, lute, brush, and pen, they are but tongues to tell of life sincerely. The thaumaturgic day, the might of men. O God of scribes, grant us to grave them clearly. Grant heart that homes in heart, then all is well. Honey is honey sweet, howe'er the hiving, each to his work, his wage at evening bell, the strength of striving.